How to turn off safe search on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, head towards your settings. Here we go. Now scroll all the way down and head towards the app Safari. Now over here you will find different options, but you won't find any option to turn off the safe search. So this option is only available for the browser. So you can close this and open your browser. Here we go. At the top right you will find your profile icon. Tap on it. Now head towards the option of settings. With that you will find this option of safe search. Open that. Now over here you will get three options: filter, blur and off. Safe search helps you manage explicit content in your search results. You can set it to off. After you do that, you can go back and now you are good to go. So this is how you can easily turn off safe search on iPhone. This was all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.